Hi, Tara here with Simply Made Eats and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making hot chocolate, but not only just regular hot chocolate. We're gonna add Nutella to make it the best hot chocolate. You guys check this out, you're gonna love it. Now really quick, before we start making this hot chocolate, I wanna know what some of your favorite comfort foods are for fall and winter. Let me know down in the comments so maybe we can make some on my channel together. Make sure to subscribe. I'm super excited about cooking with you all. Let's get to this hot chocolate. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna add in 2 cups of whole milk. And it would probably help if you turned your stove on. I'm just putting it on low. We don't want the milk to start boiling like crazy or anything. We just want it to start to warm up. And add a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. We're just gonna stir this frequently until it warms up. Okay, so our milk's been warming up for about 6 minutes now and it's getting nice and warm. I'm just keeping it on like low to medium heat and I really just want it not to start like boiling over. So I'm gonna add in our Nutella. Try and get most of it in there. And then some unsweetened cocoa powder. A little bit of sugar. And a tiny bit of ground cinnamon. It's fall, so we need cinnamon for the festiveness. Okay, so now we're just gonna really just start stirring it to incorporate. I'm gonna get a whisk in a second and whisk it. And once this really starts to warm up a little bit, it's gonna help break all that down. You can see it, the Nutella's already melting in there. Just an important thing to remember, make sure that you get all those unsweetened cocoa chunks stirred in because if you get a taste of those, it's really not very tasty. So just make sure you really have it whisked up. You don't wanna see any chunks in there at all. All right, mine's ready. So how easy was that? It's almost as easy as putting it in the microwave. It's super simple. I've got my hot chocolate here, so it's the best part. We're gonna get our toppings ready. It is almost Halloween, only like 4 days out. That's why I have my lights. We actually lost our Halloween decorations this year. I had like a big bin of them and I cannot find it anywhere. So yesterday I went to Target, grabbed some purple lights and we're gonna call it a day. Hopefully next year we'll be able to find them. But I am doing a kind of like a Halloween themed hot chocolate with just some candy corn and some black sugar sprinkles. And then I'm just gonna do one regular one like how I usually would with whipped cream. Oh, we gotta do marshmallows too. Whipped cream and some cinnamon. And sometimes I'll do like crushed peppermint or just chocolate flakes. So good. Let's do this. Okay, so it's officially time for us to try it. I'm so excited. I'm going with the cinnamon topped one. I'm gonna save the candy corn one for my kids. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. The Nutella is like the perfect touch to add to hot chocolate. And the cinnamon is excellent as well. It's very fallish. I know you guys are gonna love this one. Make sure to subscribe and let's keep cooking together. Bye guys, have a happy Halloween.